Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook veggie spaghetti step by step. First, let's get everything ready. Select fresh, firm vegetables such as zucchini, carrots, or sweet potatoes. You'll need about 2 medium zucchini for 2 servings. Use a spiralizer to create long, thin strands or a vegetable peeler for wider ribbons. This preparation takes about 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring your veggies are perfectly shaped for a delicious meal. Now, let's cook those beautiful veggie noodles. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your spiralized vegetables and sauté them for just 2 to 4 minutes. We want them tender crisp, not soft, to maintain their texture. A quick stir-fry ensures they retain their vibrant color and a slight bite. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a dash of pepper for flavor. Next up, the heart of any spaghetti dish, the sauce. Whether you prefer a classic marinara, a vibrant pesto, or a rich Alfredo, prepare it to your liking. If using a jarred sauce, warm it gently over low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. For a homemade touch, sauté garlic and onions before adding tomatoes. This step allows the flavors to deepen, creating a truly satisfying experience for your taste buds. Finally, it's time to bring it all together and enjoy your culinary creation. Gently combine the warm sauce with your tender, crisp veggie noodles. Avoid overmixing to keep the noodles intact. For an extra touch, sprinkle with fresh basil, a tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese, or a squeeze of lemon juice. Serve your veggie spaghetti immediately to savor its freshness and delightful flavors. Enjoy your healthy and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.